We're here in Tropic Star in Panama. We found a huge school of dolphin and there's yellowfin tuna skying right there. I'm gonna throw this popper right now. Let's see if we get them. There they are. There we go, fish on. Woo! Oh yeah, tuna on, baby. Look at them jumping over there. Oh my gosh, look at them, they're airing out. Nice fish. Choked it, look at that. Now we gotta get the hooks out of him. First yellowfin of the day on a popper. Not a giant, but it's a good start. Their morning's early and the fish are biting. Oh, big tuna, big tuna. They're airing out, they're airing out. Tuna's airing out, tuna's airing out, they're airing out. We just found a monster school of dolphin and there's yellowfin tuna jumping everywhere. This could be really special. We're gonna put a live bonito out there. Emmanuel's gonna rig it up right now. We're gonna try this. We're gonna bridle it. There we go. There's a big yellowfin out there, he'll eat that for sure. Now put in the rigger. Want to put two baits out? Or a belly bait? Belly bait? We got a fish on. That took 2 seconds. Big tuna, look at that, he's smoking the reel. Woo! He's smoking the reel, look at the reel, look at the reel, look at the reel. We put the bait on the outrigger. It took 5 seconds to get a bite. Got something really good on here. Big fish, guys, you gotta take your time with them. Right now I'm in low gear, trying to gain inch by inch. It's probably 100 feet from the boat right now. Like that. This is a tuna, guys, it's over 100 pounds for sure, I can promise you that. He's coming up. I'm gonna say 150.
Hey?
Yeah.
140, 140.
140?
Yes, sir.
I'm gaining an inch, losing an inch right now. This is a battle of wills here. He's coming to the surface. This is nice. We can see him right down there. Big, big fish. Big fish. He's doing his death circles right now. I'm just using the palm of my hand. I have the drag set at strike, and I'm just using my fingers to adjust the tension of the line. And I switch balance. You know, when my legs get tired, I just grab the rod and let my legs rest for a little bit, and I switch off. This fish is doing really big circles right now, which means, Hans, probably a good one.
I'll let go.
Here we go, Bimini, Bimini, Bimini. Leader, big tuna, man. Wow. Big tuna, oh my gosh. The gaff?
Yeah.
All right, yeah. He's gaffed. Let me help you out. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Now that's a fish right there, boys. Look at that yellowfin tuna. He's over 100 for sure, dude. Oh my gosh, what a beast. Watch, he's gonna throw Hans off the boat. Watch out. We're gonna put this big boy on ice and we're gonna try to get another one. This one kicked my butt, but I got lots of juice left in me, so we're gonna try to get one more. This fish is probably around 130, 140, maybe even 150 pounds. This is probably the biggest yellowfin I've ever caught in my life. These were the tunas right here that we caught on poppers. We put a bonito out and look what we catch. Oh, that's a big fish in the box right there. That's called box is full. Big tuna, hey, let's go find another one. How's that sound? Let's go. Gosh, there's tuna everywhere. Hold on. Live bait, I think, dude. They're not hitting the popper. Live bait, live bait. There's tuna jumping everywhere, but they're not hitting the poppers. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, look, dude, look at them. It's insane. Live bait, let's go live bait, live bait, live bait. Oh my gosh. Dude, they're skying back there. This is gonna happen so fast. Let me get the harness, I might as well get the harness on now, dude. It's gonna get eaten before anything happens. Ready? Here, hold on, let me get the rod. This is gonna take long. There's so many tuna out here. We had two options. One, go back to dock and weigh this fish, or two, stay out here and keep fishing. And we're gonna stay out here and keep fishing. So we're gonna clean this big monster right now, and we're gonna get the meat off of it. Strong man. There we go. So guys, right now we're just filleting our tuna that we caught. It's too big to fit in the box. Big old tuna. Cleaning it right here on the boat. Gonna have some sushi tonight. Hey, hey, fish, fish. What is it? Big mahi, right? There we go. Big mahi. Oh my gosh, giant, dude, giant. We just caught this tuna, and now we got a giant mahi. It could be 50 pounds. There he is. Get the gaff. I can gaff him if you want. There we go. Woo! Get him in. Look at that fish. That's a big dolphin right there. He's going crazy. Calm down. Look at that dolphin, guys. Panama, giant tuna, giant dorado. Come on now. What a fish, guys. Jose thinks there might be a blue marlin here, so we got Manuel breaking up a lure right now. We're gonna troll for blue marlin and see if we can get one. That'd be incredible to end the day with that. Oh, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. And we got another tuna here, boys. What's that over there? Hey, what just jumped over there? What just jumped way over there? Is that a marlin, dude? Blue marlin, blue marlin, blue marlin. Woo! Yes! Blue marlin, baby. He's jumping. I mean, we've caught a sail, a giant yellowfin, a giant dolphin. Now we're hooking up to a blue marlin. Only a tropic star. Second line. This is an interesting blue marlin. When he first hit it, we thought he was a tuna. He was like, okay. Then we saw a huge splash. We're like, oh, what's that? Then we saw him again. He jumped. Definitely blue marlin. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Woo! There he goes. Woo! Yes. Yes. Keep going. Gosh. Beautiful. Keep going. Man, blue marlin are so cool. Look at that. I love blue marlin, guys. If you've only caught sailfish, it's a whole new world. It will change your life. The moment you hook a blue marlin and all you've caught a sailfish. When I hooked my first one, it was like, did I just hit the next level? Because that's what it feels like. Coming up. There he is. Woo! Woo! Keep going. Keep going. Gosh, blue marlin are so cool. Come on. There he comes for you. That's a fish right there, man. He's over 200 for, my gosh. That's a 250, right? Yep, yep. Okay. There we go. What? Caught fish, guys. Blue marlin. Look at that. Oh, he's mad at me. All right, buddy, I'm gonna let you go. Ready? Oh. Woo! Okay. Yeah. That is one super cool angry fish, man. That fish was so angry. Good job, good job. Woo! That fish straightened the hook out. Check that out. To catch a yellowfin tuna the size we caught today, the size of the dolphin we caught today, Davis, you might not have seen it. We got a quick clip here of a GoPro. Davis got a 100+ pound sail. Okay, we just caught a blue marlin. I mean, that's a pretty epic day of fishing, guys. Seriously, if you want to have days like this, you gotta come down to Tropic Star. It's incredible here. Big dolphin, big dolphin, big dolphin, big dolphin. Got another big dolphin on here. I think this is our last fish of the day. We got a gigantic storm over there, guys. It's headed our way. He's a little small yellow one, but it's a nice fish, man, my gosh. In Florida, that's a fish of a lifetime. Here, it's every day. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Get him in, get him in, get him in. Woo! Dude, he is bigger than the other one. That's a cow, dude. Oh my gosh, that's the biggest cow I've ever seen, bro. Oh my gosh, that's the biggest cow I've ever seen in my life. How big's the bull? Where's the bull at? We should troll around and see that bull's out there. That's the biggest cow dolphin I've ever seen. It's over 50 inches long. Normally a fish this size is a bull. That's a monster cow, wow. A cow has a rounder head like this, okay? A bull has a big old square head. It comes back like this. You saw the bull earlier. A cow this size this is the biggest cow I've ever seen in my life. This is a giant, it's 30 pounds. Well, she's 30 pounds. That's crazy, look at that. Oh, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Big yellowfin, giant yellowfin. Yeah. Woo, we got him. This is extreme saltwater fishing now. It's pouring rain, giant yellowfin tuna, blue marlin. Doesn't get much better than this. What an insane day. We started off throwing papas at yellowfin, got a couple, put a live bonito out, caught a 130, 140 pound yellowfin, started trolling, caught a giant bull dolphin, then we caught a blue marlin, then we caught a 100 pound sail, then we caught a blue marlin, then we caught a 30 pound cow dolphin, and now we're hooked up to another giant yellowfin. If this ain't extreme saltwater fishing, I don't know what is. Oh, big head shakes. That thing's gigantic. Here, just land him.
Dude, it's giant.
Oh my gosh, dude, that's gigantic. That's bigger than the other one.
No, I got it.
You got him? Yeah. Get in the boat, get in the boat. Ready, I'm gonna help you out. This is like 180. It's almost 200 pounds, hold on.
Aquí lo calle, hombre, compa.
Oh.
Aquí lo calle, hombre.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Dude, it's a giant! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, dude! What the heck? You think it's close to 200 pounds? What? What a way to end the day! Dude, I can't even. I'm so excited, so happy I can't even breathe properly right now. We were gonna win the other one and head in, and it was a tough decision. Let me tell you something, that was the right decision, guys, because this is a moose right here. Guys, look how big this tuna is! What a monster! Tropic Star, Panama, Pacific Ocean. What a monster! Woo! If you guys want to have an amazing fishing experience like you saw in this video, you gotta go to Tropic Star. It's incredible. The variety, the size, it's next level fishing, guys. Make sure you check them out. The link is in the description. And also, guys, please make sure to check out our Black Tip H merch. Support our channel. If you love our content, you can support us by buying our merch. Click the link in the description or go to blacktiph.com. If you want to see the most recent video, click right here. If you want to subscribe, click right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.